I'm here at the Herefordshire and Worcestershire Chamber Business Expo, and I'm joined by John Keane of Modus Creative. Good morning, John.
Good morning, Michelle.
I wanted to ask you if you could tell me a little bit about what areas of legal advice that you felt that you've needed support with as a business.
Primarily HR related. We've had 2 occasions to call on the Chamber, and they've been HR related.
So you have had a need to call the legal advice line.
Yeah.
Are you allowed to tell me a little bit, elaborate a little bit for me on what areas that you might have called them about?
Yeah, when we were checking with regards to performance related issues, when we're looking at if there was redundancy issues, we felt confident in ringing the Chamber and that they would be able to give us the advice that we needed.
So, as you probably know, a lot of companies will have their own legal department or HR department,
Yeah.
or even employ the services of a solicitor or consultant.
Yeah.
What made you decide not to do that and actually use the Chamber legal advice line instead?
A lot of the times when you're dealing with these sort of situations, you need an answer there and then. You need to move, it can be quite a fluid situation. Ringing a solicitor or a lawyer in the city may require meetings and it could delay our decision-making process. So ringing the Chamber allowed us to get an answer there and then, which was important to us.
And what do you feel has been achieved by that? And in terms of your success as a business, how has it helped you to move forward by using those services, those legal advice lines?
Okay, well, look, lack of decision-making, slow decision-making can affect the decision that we're going to make as a business. So it was imperative that we were able to make a decision that we were confident we had the correct advice on.
That's great. What other Chamber helplines have you used in the past as well as the legal advice?
Primarily legal. However, when we were, let's say, concerned about a health and safety issue, we have rang and double-checked, making sure that we were compliant and if there was any ramifications to a decision that we were making.
And you've used the Chamber HR helpline as well, you mentioned predominantly.
We've had 2 occasions to call on them, and both times we've been really pleased with what they've said. The other thing is, it's a logged call. So again, if we have to refer back to a decision we've made, we can go to the Chamber and they can evidence that we consulted them on the process.
How do you feel that support has helped the business? And do you find it a vital asset to your business and the progression of it?
Yeah, look, it gets back to decision making. We need confidence in the people that are giving us counsel, and we've got confidence in the Chamber. It's a progressive Chamber, it's an award-winning Chamber, and it's there, and it's won those awards for a reason. So we're proud to be associated and to use them.
Oh, that's fantastic. Well, John, thank you ever so much for your time today, and for talking and sharing some of your experiences with us. And obviously, we wish you lots of success in your future.
Cheers, Michelle.
Thank you very much.
Nice to meet you. Cheers.